Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about box cutters and utility knives and other cutting tools. All right. So what am I talking about but box cutters? Well, there's different types of box cutters. They use basically the same type blade. It's usually that blade that, well, here, let me just show you one. This is a type of box cutter / utility knife, and this is the blade I'm talking about. Now they go in different type holders. Some of them, they go in one that just retracts all the way in and out. The old Stanley type. And, you open, carry it, pull it out of your pocket, slide the blade out, cut, and slide the blade back in. Or you get the new modern ones that are have folding ones on them, and they have multiple locking positions on it for whatever you need to use it for. But these are really great because, hey, what happens when the blade gets dull? No problem. I just pull it out, go to the dispenser, pull out another one, put a new blade in it, and bam, just like that, I got a new sharp blade. So box cutters are really neat for their replacement blade ability. But there are other cutters, other type of utility cutters and stuff, utility knives. There's some of these that have, instead of a point on it, it has a little hook shape on it for cutting like carpets and stuff like that. There's a whole bunch of other type cutters too for different things, hobbies, crafts and stuff. Little craft knives like the X-Acto knives and stuff. Only this is, instead of changing blades, this is a set of all the different blades you can put in an X-Acto. But there's a lot of things you can use these for, and there'll be a lot of times where it's like, crap, my knife's too big to get in there. I need something small. And hey, wait a minute, this one here will work just right. I can get in there and I can do whatever I need to do. So think about it. Think of all the things you might possibly need it for, because if you don't think about when times you might possibly need it, when that time arrives and you don't have it, you're going to be like, dang, I wish I had gotten that. All right. So in the meantime, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, tools. Why? Well, this is why.